We're taking a look at the Chicken Coop Ramp. So we just recently got some chickens and we need some accessories to kind of help them access their chicken coop. This ramp is a great option.
Thank you to this company for sending us this ladder.
We'll just kind of go over some of the features of it. So the ramp is made of plastic and it's very durable plastic. There are 3 sections. Sure, if you don't need all 3, you could either go with a longer slope or even take one out. It does screw in up at the top so you can secure it. And they also provide you with 2 extra legs that can be attached at any point along here to kind of help add some support. It's very easy to put together. Like I said, it's 3 pieces for the ramp. They just kind of snap in. There's some metal collars that go on here and then they get screwed together. So if you're looking for a ramp to give your chickens access to their coop, this is a great option. It has some nice separation and good tracks on it so that they won't lose traction as they're headed up into the coop. So this is a great ramp to add to your coop to allow your chickens solid and easy access to their coop. It's really easy to put together, has all of the components and parts that you need.